Hello बच्चों, now we are going discussing a very interesting problem for class 10th examination, chapter circle, and some using also similar triangle properties. So if you know some knowledge of circle and similar triangle properties, then only we can solve this problem. Okay. In the adjoining figure, adjoining figure means figure concerned with problem. AC is diameter of larger circle. This is bigger and larger circle with the center O. AB is tangent. AB is tangent. But AB is tangent to the smaller circle. We are already saying that AB is touching this smaller circle. So AB is tangent to a smaller circle with center O. Center O means bigger circle and a small circle. Both have same center means both have same circle, same center. If OD equal to R, OD equal to R given, only we are given that OD equal to R, then BC is equal to. Then we have to find BC. Given OD given only R. OD is a radius of a smaller circle. Okay. And BC is one line touching from B to C in bigger circle. We have to find the value of BC. Then OD is given R, BC. Then we have to find relationship between OD and BC. Then how can we find? We take triangle. We consider triangle. In triangle A AOD AOD and triangle, bigger triangle ABC. BC. Two triangle, we are considering two triangle. AOD is smaller triangle and ABC is bigger triangle. What can happen? Angle A is common to both. Okay. Common angle हो तो common angle. This is common angle for both. And now AO equal to OC. AO equal to OC, both are radius of bigger angle. So AO बटा OC. इसलिए so AO बटा AC. AC means 2R. AC means AO बटा 2AO means AO बटा AC बराबर equal to 1/2. Then relation is AO is to AC. Finally, we are getting AO bata OC equal to 1/2. AO OC, no. AO bata AC, sorry, AO bata AC. Bigger triangle. This is in a smaller triangle. This is in bigger triangle. So AO bata AC equal to 1/2. And if we see in that triangle, AD bata AB. This is also AD equal to this is same length. Suppose this is X, then this is also X. So AD बराबर AD equal to X, AB 2X. So AD बटा AB 1:2 or 1:2, 1/2 means both have same ratio. This triangle and this bigger triangle, small triangle, two sides have same ratio. So considering all this, this is so triangle AOD similar triangle to triangle ABC. So this also have same ratio OD, but a BC is also 1 by 2. If OD बराबर, that means R बटा BC equal to 1 by 2. That means BC equal to 2R. This is only the solution. This is solution. C is correct. Hope you understand. Next problem we are discussing. Letters A to F are mentioned on 6 faces of a die. One die is given and A to F letter written on each die. Die means this type of game we are Ludo playing. This is one die, 6 faces. Each faces have A to F letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 faces has 6 different letters. Every different faces have different letter A to F. This is given in question such that A to F written on such that each face has a different letters. Two such dice are thrown simultaneously. The probability that vowels turn up on both the dice. If you are throwing such two dice simultaneously together, then we have to find the probability that both the faces have vowels. What is the probability? Suppose this is A, this is E, or this is E, this is A, such type of. So A, B, C, D, later A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Vowels only this letter and this letter is only two vowels. Then only E or A appears on both the dice. Then what is the probability that E and A letters appears on both the faces? How can we find? Then there are total outcomes. We have to count total outcomes and probable and favorable outcomes. First dice. Suppose this is first dice and this is second dice. Okay. This is first dice coming A. Suppose this is A. Second dice may be coming A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose first dice letters appear A, then second dice may be any letters A, B, C, D, E. First dice B, then all again same letter coming C, again same letter coming A, any letter coming. Suppose D, C, D, D, E, F. All have the same probability. Suppose first dice coming A, B, C, D, second letter also coming A, B, C, D, all pairing. A has 6. Suppose first dice coming A, then any one of this coming is B, B, any of this coming C. So total probability we are understanding total outcomes. Total outcomes is every die A 6 possibilities, die 2, B 6 probabilities, C 6 probability, D 6 probability, or F 6 probability. D, E, F. E and F 6 probability and total 6, 36. Total outcomes is 36. We have to understand this logic. The total probability 36 means this dice, two dice given. Suppose A coming. Here A, maybe A coming. Understand or not, बच्चे लोग? Tell me you understand or not. Means we are getting A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, and A, F. This combination we may get 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First dice, second dice. Then, if suppose first dice A come, then anyone can disappear. But favorable is only here AA and AE. Favorable is only 2. Okay. Then again, second condition is B. This coming B, this coming A, B A, B B, B C, B D, B E, or B F. All combinations. Suppose first dice coming B, then anyone can. The outcomes may be all these things, but nobody is favorable. Here, nobody is favorable. Outcomes is available, but nobody favorable. So favorable here not favorable. So all have no favorable. B, C, D. So B, C, D, E, F. So C, D, F have no favorable because first C coming means question. Both have both phases we have required vowels. So in this condition, suppose first C coming means we are not getting any favorable case. We are not getting favorable case. We are not getting for F favorable case. For only for E, two favorable also available. Two favorable for E also. EE and EA. So total favorable 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 favorables are 4 outcomes is available. So required favorable probability required probability required probability for favorable total 36. Total 36 outcomes for every phase. Total 36. For A case 6, for B case 6, for B case or 36, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 times 6, 6, 36. Or total favorable only A. So the required answer is 1 by 9. So our answer is 1 by 9. Hope you understand well. Next question we are discussing, friends, the distance of a point from the x-axis. Point is given P1 in -1. So what is the distance? The question is asking what is distance from point from x-axis. This point we have to find out this point distance from x-axis. The point given P1 -1. We have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. 1 -1 point where comes x-axis, x coordinate. Suppose this and y coordinate -1 means -1 here coming. So the point is P is coming here. So distance of point P from x-axis is this. X-axis distance. This is -1. So distance of point P from x-axis is y coordinates. Y coordinates. Coordinates P points coordinate x coordinate y coordinates x coordinate y coordinates. So distance of points from x-axis is giving information of y coordinates. So distance is -1, value of more yani 1. So 1 unit. Distance is telling simply numerical value show distance is only mode of -1 is 1. This distance is 1. So actually direction given -1 is what is telling only direction. So the distance is 1 unit. So the answer is 1 unit. Next question given sec a बराबर 2 cos a is true for sec a. Given question sec a equal to 2 cos a. Sec equal to 2 cos a, then we have to find the value of angle A. So sec A equal to 2 cos A, that means we have to shift this value here, then 1 by 2 equal to cos square A. Okay, this relation derives this value. To have what is cos here going, then uh, this will take cos square A. Okay, that means cos A equal to 1 by root 2, and 1 by root 2 for which angle is 1 by root 2? 45 degree. So angle A equal to 45 degrees. Okay, this derives to sec A. Sec equal to one step 1 by cos A equal to 2 cos A. So cos A are going 2 cos square A equal to 1 cos square A equal to 1 by 2. That means cos A equal to 1 by root 2. So given value for given question, the angle A equal to 45 degrees. Next is very important question, friends. Assertion and reason given, and according to assertion and reason we have to choose options. Okay, so simply we have to know only answers. After that I will explain the options. Assertion given unit digit of 3 to the power n cannot be an even number. Assertion, what is the statement given? 3 to the power n is not an even number. N is where n is natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reason are, the reason what is given, 2 is not a prime factor of 3 to the power n for any natural number n. Reason is given, 2 is not a prime factor. Any even number has prime factor 2, then only is a prime even number. All even number are multiple of 2. But here question is 3 to the power n unit digit. We have to find unit digit. Unit digit. Suppose 3 to the power 1 unit digit is 3. 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 unit digit 9. 3 to the power 3 27 unit digit 7. 3 to the power 4 81 unit digit is 1. 3 to the power 5 243. The unit digit is 3. 3 to the power 6 या 9 4 या 12 6 7. Unit digit is 9. Again 3 to the power 7. You can repeat. या 27 6 2 8 और 23. Unit digit is 7. So unit digit we are obtaining 3 1 3 1 sorry 3 9. Unit digit are getting 3 9. Here unit digit 3, here 9, here 7. Again 1 3 9 7. Again we are obtaining So we are getting this pattern 3971, 3971, 3971, this type of unit digit are getting. So all are odd numbers. So this is, so all are odd numbers. So this assertion is true. This is also true. So assertion and reason. So assertion and reason both are true. So option given, for both are true. Option, what is option given? A. A option is coming for assertion and reason both is true. So different condition A, B, C, D option is given, but both, if both is true, then option A is given. So answer is option A. Here answer is option A. So we have to find simply 1, 2, 3 putting. We are getting 3971, 3971. This is repeating. So we are getting same digits pattern. Hello friends, we are going to discuss again a very interesting problems of probability. You just see Renu and Simran were born in the year 2000, which is a leap year. Find the probability that both have same birthday, both have different birthday. 2000 year, two friends Renu and Simran were born in 2000, which is leap year. And leap year means 366 days. Question is telling that years is leap year means 366 days. Normal year have 365 days. This is 366 days. Then we have to find both have same birthday. So what is the probability that both were born on the same date? How can we find? So favorable probability and total outcomes. Favorable outcomes means, suppose we have to understand sequence by sequence. Suppose Simran, Renu and Simran, okay, both have same birthday. Suppose mm, this will born on some date 1 or any or any date of year 2000, okay. Then only the same number is come, we compare with dice, the same number one has come, then one fix, one means every month have come same date, but this means that a fixed date of a year, a fixed date of a year comes only once time in a day. This indicates the one fixed date. Suppose 1st January 2000, 1st January 2000, okay, 1st January 2000. Then this year, this date is only a single date. And similar, suppose also similar coming 1000, same date. So this number, this year, suppose this is a dice and this is also a dice. Then this number is appears on this dice, this number of appears maybe this dice. So the favorable condition only one. Favorable condition is only one. All other dates are different 365 days. All other days are different 65 days. Different date or 365 days. So total outcomes is 1 plus other 365 days. And this is only one fixed date. Same. So the favorable condition is only 1 and total condition is, so we can write, so required probability is one fixed date, means one favorable condition is only one, or total condition, unfavorable condition 360, total outcomes is 366. So there is only one, this is required probability that both Renu and Simran have same date of birth. I hope you understand this principle, because suppose this is one fixed date, this is fixed date of Renu and Simran, this date, this fixed date plus 365 other, the total outcomes is total only one favorable condition, fixed date that both have same, and other 366. This is the required probability, means 1 by 366 probability is only that they have born on the same date of birth. Okay, hope you understand. Next question saying both have different birthday. The total probabilities, first probability is 1 by 366, sorry 366. Okay, so other probability is both have same birth date, birth day, both have same birthday, means total one probability, total 1 minus 1 by 66. Same date of birth, full probability, full outcomes is 1. That means 365 but 366. This is the other probability that both have different birth date. Both have different birthday. That is required probability. We can proceed with a single problem also. Okay, now, but we have already defined that same date of birth probability is 1 by 66, total probability of coming both the happening is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 6 by 6, that is the required probability of other probability. Required other probability of different birthday is 1 minus 1 by 6, 366. Hope you all guys understand this problem very well. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बच्चे लोग, यहाँ पर कहते हैं वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सोल्व द सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन algebraically. Two equation given, 73x minus 37y equal to 109, 37x minus 73y equal to 1. We have to solve algebraically. Means we have to omit any one term and find the other value. How can we solve it? We see constant term 73, 73, 37, 37. Both sum is 1 not 10, both sum is 1 not 10. Then what can we do? First we add. Suppose 70 equation given 73x, 73 sorry 37y equal to 109, 37x minus 73y equal to 1. First we add both equation, we add. Okay, then what happened? See, add means 73, 1, both add means 110x minus 110y equal to 110. Okay, that means x minus y equal to 1. 110, 110 cancel. So one equation, first equation come x minus y equal to 1, adding both terms. Okay. Now subtraction. Subtraction from this and this, what we will see, 73 minus 37. 73 means 6 here, 3, 36x minus. Yes, subtracting means we have to negative sign all. Opposite sign, a plus minus, a minus plus, a minus. Subtraction means we have to reverse the sign of next equation, equation number 2. Then only subtraction will take place. So this will come and this will 36. This plus 73 minus 37 again 36 y 108. Okay, that means x plus y equal to 108 bata 36. 36, 36 common and divided here, that means 3. Okay, so next equation coming x plus y equal to 3. So this equation becomes this equation, takes the form of these two equations. Now we can easily solve. We add, or we add means 2x equal to 4, that means x equal to 2, and y equal to 3 minus x, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Okay, this is the real, this is the final. So x equal to 2. Solving these two equations easily, we can solve, add and find. First time add x, and any equation we have substitute this x value in any equation, we get y around 1. So the final lesson, x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. क्या रिकॉर्ड हो गया तुम्हारे जाते. So friends, we have get two equation, x minus x, x minus y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 3. So adding means 2x, this will minus 4, that means x equal to 2, and we put any value, then we get y equal to 1. So the solution is 2 and 1. Okay,
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बच्चे लोग. Which of the following quadratic equation has real and equal roots? They are given four quadratic equation A, B, C, D, you see, and asking in question which has real and equal roots. How can we find? We try first this x plus 1 whole square equal to 2x plus 1. That means x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 1. This cancel. That means x square equal to 0. That means x x square बराबर 0, that is the only both equal and real roots. X square to 0 is x x plus 1 square equal to 2x plus 1 has only one root. 0 means both roots equal and real, so this is should be the answer. All other are not equal in real roots. Suppose if we select this question x square plus x equal to 0, x into x plus 1 equal to 0. Either this part 0 or this part 0, x equal to 0, okay. Then x plus 1 equal to 0, that means x plus minus 1. This means both are different roots. So one is this answer. We can try also other example. Suppose we try x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 2 and minus 2. Both roots are different. Similarly, we can do this x square plus x plus 1 because this will be not factorized. So we have to choose formula b square minus 4. In discriminant, we take b square minus 4ac. 4ac is root minus 3. That means minus 3. So this equation has discriminant equal to root over minus 3, which is not a real number. So this has not any real roots. So this has no real roots. Even a single root is not possible for that. So this equation has the only answer. Next question, we are trying next question. What is saying? If the zeros of the polynomial x square plus bx plus 2 by a by b are reciprocal, zeros, yani roots are reciprocal of each other, then the value of b is. Roots are given of this equation reciprocal. Given equation ax square plus bx plus 2a by b. Okay. Given zeros are reciprocal. Okay. Suppose alpha and 1 by alpha are zeros. So product of root, product of root, product of root are alpha into 1 by alpha. C by product of root is C by here C is here, A is here. So 2A by B into 1 by A. Alpha alpha, that means 2 by B equal to 1. That means B equal to 2. That is the answer. Alpha into alpha cancel 1 by 2A by B. Product of the roots, we know that product of the roots alpha into beta 1 Cy in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here c given this and a given same a. So alpha into 1 by alpha equal to 2a by b into a, and alpha alpha cancel, a cancel. So 2 by b equal to 1, that means b बराबर 2. Okay. Next question, find the distance of the point A, coordinates given -3, -4 from x-axis is 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 7 units. So how can we find point A distance from x-axis? So we draw, let us draw to understand better. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is -1. So -3 is, suppose here -3. -4, suppose here -4. Okay, -3. So points lies between here. This is a point whose coordinates is uh, -3, -4. So the point's distance from x-axis. X-axis distance here. Distance from point this means this distance. This distance means y coordinates. Y coordinates. So distance y coordinates, the mode of y coordinate. So that is rho unit. Okay. Next question. We see next question. In the inclining figure, this figure is given px parallel to xy, p pq parallel to xy, xy parallel to bc. So these three lines are parallel. AP equal to 2 centimeter. This given 2 centimeter. Px given 1.5 centimeter, and the bx given 4 centimeter. So we have to find AQ plus BY. AQ plus BY. Suppose this is X unit, this is Y unit. Okay. How can we find? So we have to find X value and Y value. The parallel lines, we apply BPD. Okay, in this angle. Okay. QY is given. QY one is 0.75 given. Okay. 0.75 is given. So in this triangle, we take the triangle AXY. A AXY. What is AXY? This this is parallel to this. Okay, this line PQ parallel to CY. So so from BPT, basic proportionality theorem. BPT means basic proportionality theorem. This line, we consider this bigger kind A X Y, and PQ is parallel to this base. Okay, na? So AP bata PX equal to AQ bata QY. That means this will be true for from this triangle AXY according to BPQ. BPQ what's the, if any parallel line, suppose a triangle, if any parallel lines drawn to any sides of triangle, then remaining sides will divide in the same ratio. So this line parallel to this, so बाकी rest two sides are divided in the same ratio. So AP by PX. AP by PX means 2/1.5. You will have considered X unit, QY 0.75. From this relation, we can find X equal to 2 by 1.5 into 0.75. Means at 1 barabar x barabar 1 centimeter. That means we get x barabar 1 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find same things from bigger triangles to find this. Okay. How can we find? Next step, we have already find x over 1 centimeter using this triangle, considering a x y triangle, and using BPT theorem, we find x over 1 centimeter. Now we have to find y and yc parts. How can we find? So taking triangle ABC. This is BC, X, Y parallel to BC. So BPT, using BPT, AX bata XB equal to AY bata YC. AY bata YC. We have to find YC. AX. AX. AX how much? 2 in plus 1.5. 2 plus 1.5. XB 4. 4. AY. AY or AY means X plus 0.75. I mean AQ plus QY bata YC. That means AQ plus PY. AQ plus PY is 1.75 total. I have written 1 plus 0.75, 1.75 YC. I have taken Y. So from this equation, 3.5 bata 4 बराबर 1.75 bata Y. ये 2 times, that means Y equal to 2. Okay. So AQ plus CY, AQ plus CY equal to AQ I have find 1 centimeter plus CY. Since the find 2 centimeter, that means this is 3 centimeter. So answer is 3 centimeter. Next question is given triangle ABC similar to PQR. Given triangle ABC, PQR similar, so angle A 30, angle 2 90. So value of angle R and B. Suppose to angle triangle ABC. Suppose two triangle ABC. This is suppose similar triangle A, B, C, P, Q, R. Similar triangle. Angle A 30 degree, angle Q 90 degree. Okay. So value of same angle R plus B. Angle R plus angle B का value. Okay. Angle A equal to angle B to be similar. So 30 degree. Angle Q equal to angle B 90 degree. Angle C, angle R. So this is 30 plus 90 angles. Angle C बराबर angle R equal to 30 plus 90 minus 180 में sorry 180 minus 30 minus 90 is 60 degree. Okay. So this angle graph is 60 degree. This also 60 degree becomes 60 degree. So angle R plus angle B equal to angle R graph 60 degree, angle B 90 degree. So 150 degree total answer. Okay. So Answer will be 150 degree. Next question we are saying, friends, two coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at least one hit is. The question saying two coins tossed simultaneously, then what is the probability, what is the possibility we should get at least one hit of this coin or this coin? So how can we calculate? Suppose there are two coins, okay? Suppose there are two coins. First, total outcomes how much? Suppose first coin getting head, second coin also getting may hit, first coin getting head, second coin tails. This is one time toss. Second time, first coin getting tails, second coin getting head. First coin getting head, tails, second coin getting also tails. Okay. First coin head, second coin head, tails, second coin head, second coin tails. So one time name probable that both heads coming. Suppose we have toss diameters, both head coming. Second time toss diameters, head and tail coming. One first head, second head. Third time of tossing, we get first head, second tail. Fourth time tossing, both tails. So total probable any one can. If we simultaneously, then any one can happen. Only these four cases only occur definitely. 100% occur any four cases. Okay. Head, tail, head, tail. The total outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4. Favorable outcomes is at least one head. Any sequence can show head. So this can take in head, anyone both can head. This can be can take as one kind is head coming. This also can take this second kind head coming. So 3, 4 favorable case and total favorable. So favorable case, the probability of getting probability of getting at least one head. One head is head. There appears first both head, one head, one head. Total three favorable case. Total outcome 4. So required probability is 3 by 4. Okay. So the answer should be this.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बच्चे. वी आर डिस्कसिंग वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन regarding quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial x square minus x plus c, obtain a polynomial whose zeros are alpha minus 3 and beta minus 3. So what is given? Alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are roots of polynomial ax square minus x plus c, zeros of this polynomial. Then first we find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta we have to find, and in same term we have to find alpha minus 3 and beta minus 3. So alpha plus beta, that means alpha plus beta minus by minus 1 a1, so minus 1 x coefficient but the x square coefficient a, that means 1 by a. Alpha plus beta equal to 1 by a. Alpha into beta around c by a, c and x square coefficient A. Okay. Now we have to find this sum of this alpha minus beta, alpha minus 3 plus beta minus 3. For new polynomials, we have to find sum of new roots, sum of these roots and product of these roots. Then we can find the polynomial. Okay. Alpha minus 3 plus beta minus 3 equal to alpha plus beta minus 6. Alpha plus beta given 1 by a, 1 by a minus 6. Okay. We get the sum of roots we get of this new polynomial. And alpha and beta, alpha minus 3, product of roots. Products of roots equal to alpha beta minus 9 minus 3 alpha plus beta. Okay. Alpha into beta plus 9 minus 3 alpha minus 3 beta. Okay. Alpha into beta plus 9 minus 3 alpha plus beta. That is finally form taken of this of product of new roots. Okay. When alpha beta already given, we know alpha beta Cya plus 9 minus 3 into alpha plus beta already know alpha plus 1 by a. Finally this comes Cya plus 9 minus 3 by a. This is product of these two roots and the sum of these two roots coming in. Now we are using, now for getting new polynomials from these roots, alpha, product of the roots alpha, sum of this root alpha minus 3 plus beta minus 3, we get 1 by a minus 6, and beta alpha minus 3 and beta minus 3, product of the roots Cya plus 9 minus 3ya. Now we are using only these two to form new polynomials. To get new polynomials, we are using these two only. Means we know that any polynomial whose roots alpha beta, in terms of roots, we should know in terms of roots, quadratic polynomial may be written x square minus sum of roots plus product of roots Okay, we are using this equation to get the required polynomials. X square, now x square sum of roots, what is given? So here x minus 1 by a minus 6 into x plus product of the roots c by a plus 9 minus 3 by a. This is required polynomials. We can more simplified x square ax square minus 1 minus 6x 6ax plus c plus 9a minus what is 3 by 9? 3 by 8, 3 by 8.
And we will get equation x square minus 1 minus a बटा x plus c by a plus minus 3 by a 3 by n plus 9. This is required. You can solve. You can also simplify the factor square minus 12 minus 6a into factor plus c by a minus 3 by a plus 9. C minus 3 plus 9 equal to 0. This is required for the equation. A comma a moving to outside. Then required equation. This is the required answer. Hope you understand. This is confusion or then forming skill, forming system. Very difficult question. Alpha minus 2. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this equation. Hope you have take alpha minus 3, beta minus 2. Polynomial or quadratic equation for zeros. So first we take alpha beta. We find alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Same step we have to find this two products. We get this and products this we get and sum this get and we put using equation x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of the roots. This is the required condition. If any roots, if two roots given, then we should obtain quadratic equation of polynomials of second degree. X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of the roots. Sum of roots we find this product of roots and simplify the root. Okay.
Let us solve this equation. What is in the question? The perimeter of a rectangle 70 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle given 70 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter, more than that twice its breadth. What is telling? The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeter more than that twice of its breadth. Express the given situation as a system of linear equation in two variables and hence solve it. Then we should find rectangle means this type of figure. Suppose this is L and this is B. What is given? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter means length plus length, breadth plus breadth. 2 into L plus B given 70 centimeter. That means L plus B given 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. That is one equation we get. Other relation given, length is 2 breadth plus 5 centimeter. This is second linear equation. Okay. We are using both relation and get the problem. We should replace L in this then. 2b plus b 2b 2b plus 5 plus b equal to 35. That means 3b equal to 30. That means b equal to 10 centimeter. We obtained first solution of breadth 10 centimeter, then length twice be 2 into 10 plus 5, that's 25 centimeter. So we get the value of length 25 centimeter and breadth we find 10 centimeter. Question given, root over 0.4 is an natural number, integer, rational number, irrational number. So what is the option correct? Root over 0.4 equal to 4 by 10. That means 2 by root 10. 2 is natural number, but this is irrational number. Root 10 is irrational number. Any number, irrational number means any number of the form root over n is rational number. N is natural number, but n is not a perfect square number. Perfect square number. Okay. Any natural number under root is irrational number, but natural number n is not a perfect square. Suppose 9. This is a perfect square number, so this is not irrational number. Root 8 is irrational number. So 2 by root 10 is irrational number. Okay. One new question is given, friends. Which of the following cannot be unit digit of 8 to the power n, where n is natural number? 8 to the power n, form of number is 8 to the power n. We can, what is unit digit not come is, suppose n equal to 2. You are putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And n equal to 1 putting means unit digit. Unit digit 8 to the power 1 means unit digit 8. N equal to 2. Unit digit 64 means unit digit here 4. 8, 4. N equal to 3. Unit digit 64 into 3. 8. Unit digit 2. N equal to 4. Unit digit 8 to the power 4 means 512 into 8. आदमी सुन लो 40. Unit digit is 6. Again n equal to 5. Unit digit 5 is into 8. Here unit digit come 8. Repeat. Means 8426. Repeating unit digit 8426. 8426 means unit digit may be 8, 4, 4 is not given, 4, 2, 6. But 0 never comes. Isliye the answer is, but 0 never comes. 0 never comes. 8426 coming, so 8 not given, 426 coming, 0 not come. In any condition, 0 will not come because 8 to the power n is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. Here 2 is available, but 5 is prime factor 5 is not available. Without 5 factor, we could not get 0.